and because I love the hard work and the effort that you put in to be the best. And my favorite part about cheerleading is tumbling because I don't know, because I'm good at it, I guess. And it's, you just flipping and in the air, and it's like you're closer to God. Other times you'll be like, remember that one time when so and so did this or that, and you'll just start cracking up from the memories. And yeah, competitions are at first, like when you're just watching other teams, you're like, look at that, and it's like really fun and cool. But then like 10 seconds before you get on the stage, it's like so nerve-wracking and scary. And then when you get out there, you forget about all that, and you're just like, I gotta stick this routine, I gotta stick this routine. And then when you get to the dance, you're like, it's almost there, almost over. And then when you finally get done, you ask, did you mess up? And then if everybody says no, I did good, I didn't mess up, you're just like, yay, and you're like so happy, and you think, well, we might get first, and it's fun. And then when you get to go eat, that's like the best part. And because you're like walking around, you're like, what should I eat? Tell another teenager that this is a really good growing experience, and it makes you stronger, and gives you better people skills, and it gives you better patience. It gives you a better work ethic, and you'll be a better people person. Like